Lesson 4. Hydrology and Geomorphological Hazards. In any drainage basin, a key part of the hydrological cycle is infiltration, becomes overland flow. This leads to a flashy storm hydrograph, characterized by a short lag time and a high peak discharge. Flashy hydrographs are most common in basins that are small, steep, and heavily urbanized with impermeable surfaces that rush water directly into channels. In the Maltese Islands, these intense rainfall events create significant local climate hazards, most notably severe valley and coastal flooding, often combined with storm waves. These heavy rains also act as a major trigger for mass movement on slopes. Mass movement is most strongly promoted when you combine steep slopes, weak materials like clay, high pore water pressure from heavy rain, and triggers like undercutting. In Malta, this frequently results in rockfalls and the creation of urdum. Urdum refers to the characteristic scree and boulder slopes made of cliff collapse debris found below Malta's limestone cliffs. The steep valleys, urbanization, and alternating clay and limestone slopes all work together to amplify runoff and mass movement risks during severe Mediterranean winter storms.